ready to put a new tube in. I'm going to put a little bit of air in the tube to give it shape so that it's easier to manage putting it into the tire. Easiest to start with the valve in first, that'll hold it in place. And then putting the tire back on, I'll start at the valve. And work your way around. I'm using my fingers to push the tube back into place if it wants to pull out. Making sure I don't pinch the tube with the bead of the tire going onto the rim. When you get to a point where there's a little bit left that you need to put on, if you're having a hard time with the palm of your hand pushing the bead on, you can pull the bead to the center of the rim, kind of like we did at the beginning to remove the tire. It gives you a little extra distance so you're not fighting the tire. So I'm just pulling both sides of the bead to the center of the rim, and that'll give me a little extra slack right here for that last bit to get it on. They like to pop back on to the outside of the rim, so I just have to keep pushing it back to the center. Make sure my tube is out of the way so that I don't pinch it with this last bit. I'm going to use this part of my hand to push the tire on the rest of the way. Hands. Again. And then we reinflate. Reinflate slowly, checking at intervals of maybe 10 psi to make sure that the tire is seating evenly and you don't have a tube bulging out that you're going to pinch.